Good morning, all my little peeps. We are on Wednesday, April 22nd, and I'm excited for this dress up day. It's tourist day, so dress up in your best touristy looking outfit and take a picture and upload it. I want to see and challenge if we can get at least half the class to upload a picture of themselves trying to dress up like a tourist. So half of us, that'd be like 26 of us. If we can get 26, okay? Let's try for that today. Upload a picture of yourself for Tourist Day, okay? All right, so Wednesday, we're already halfway through the week. It's flying by. Here's our plan for the day. Lit circles continue on. Incredible journey. You are meeting this morning at 10 and 10:30, so make sure to check in on that. We're coming really close to wrapping up a lot of these books and being at our final chapters of the books, so you're getting to the end of this, which is super exciting. And then we have a fun project for all of you for next week to wrap up these books. Then the only other assignment you have today is Math IXL. You are continuing on EE 9 and 10. Again, notice the difference here is that your score needs to be at a 70 on both. So Monday it was a 90, last week it was a 60. These two we'd like you to get to a 70. Remember, if you get stuck, to click the Learn with an Example in the IXL skill you are working on, and it will help work you through it, as well as reach out to us and we can help you through some of those because sometimes you get stuck and you just need a little help. I know I've had some students, they even screenshot their question they're stuck on and they email it to us quick and we answer it right back and they're able to keep going. This week has been a little lighter of a load, so we're hoping those of you that are just a little bit behind that we can get caught up. Most of you are doing a great job. We really this week kind of got into a good swing of things and you guys are cruising right along. The one thing I'd like you to make sure to do is that once you do your comprehension questions, some of us are still forgetting to do this, click out of the comprehension questions and hit the submit assignment in Schoology, please. Because that just notifies Mr. London and I that you have it done, so we don't have to go searching for it. So that's how sometimes you guys have gotten emails from us saying you're missing assignments, but you're actually not. You just didn't submit it to us. So please just hit that submit assignment, and then we are able to know that you are finished with that. The other thing we'd like to make sure that you're doing is getting caught up with your specials. So that includes your Phi Ed with either Mrs. Mills or Mr. Gus. And your music, I know Mr. Moeller just posted a new Ed puzzle assignment. And then band, it's all uploaded. So if you look on this week at a glance down at the bottom, here's all your specials, here's your meeting times, your links to go right to your assignments and all of that. Okay? Make sure when you are working ahead and you're doing some of those tweets that you are telling us which episode it is so it's easy for us to keep track of all the different Liberty Kids tweets coming in. All right, guys, have an awesome Wednesday. Today's supposed to be the warmest day of the week, so let's hope it happens and it's warm and you get to enjoy your day outside. Maybe take a picture of yourself enjoying the day outside. I know I'm excited. All right, have a great day. Let us know how we can help in any way. We miss seeing you, and you guys are working so hard. Also, small groups today. Okay, check in. All right, talk to you later, guys.